Hi everybody, it's Lene. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. We are going to be doing a little revisit on some past projects. For those of you who are new subscribers to my channel, you may not have seen these videos, and I kind of wanted to show them to you and reintroduce them. We are so pleased that we have so many new friends, so many new subscribers, so thank you. If you haven't subscribed, I love giving away my projects. And so if you like, comment, and subscribe, you'll be entered to win that project for that particular video. So for today, I'm going to flip through these projects, and then you can come back next week. And if you liked, comment, and subscribed, then you'll be entered to win, and we announce it in next week's video. And also last week's video prize winner will be announced in this one. That's how that works. So it's just one video feeds another video, and then you get to see who the winner is. All right, so let's check out this first project. Okay, this is the recycled envelope book, and you guys, it's a really fun one to make, and you already have these supplies at home. I know you do. These are just bill paying envelopes that come in the mail. Now, even if you pay a lot of your bills online like I do, you're bound to get some of these blank envelopes. And that's what I used to make this. So this one has, I think, just 3 envelopes, all right? Hold them together, fold them in half, and then I just punched a hole here and here, and then tied them together with a cute little ribbon, and then decorated each page. All right, so cute. There's a little landing spot for a photo, little words and photos right here. Some of these we clipped on the end, and then there's little tags in here. Come on, tag. There we go. And then some of them we kept the little flap at the top. I've forgotten if there's tags in every one of these. There's little tuck spots like right here. More little flaps. And then this one, I think, yeah, this one is opened. And there's a cute little tag right there. Another little tuck spot right here. And then a cute little place for another photo. So yeah, and I added some little trinkets and little bubbles and baubles and rhinestones and flowers. And yeah, this is up for grabs. So if you're going to be playing in this little game of ours, you need to like, comment, and subscribe, watch next week's video, and then if you're the winner, then it'll be announced there with your YouTube username. You email me, and then I'll let you pick whichever one of these 4 projects you want. All right, this next one, you guys, this is a 3-panel card for guys. So this one, you just lift this off. Just for you, you open this up. It's got a cute little antique car there, great little bear in the wood scene. You open that up, happy birthday, and this is your day. This card is super easy to make. If you're a beginning card maker, this is a great one to start with because it just looks a little more complicated than it is. It's really an easy one. So yeah, this one also up for grabs. All right, and then this one, you guys, yay, here we go. This one is this one is the Easy File Folder Journal. All right, I just made it using file folders from the dollar store. Okay, you get 12 in a pack for $1.25. All right, so it has a cute little closure, ribbon closure. And on the front, there's a tag right here. We're going to open that up. There's a tag right here, a nice little spot to personalize it for a friend. You can add photos or messages here. You can also add more pages in if it was to be a journal. And yeah, just decorated it with cutouts from this paper pack. Here we go. And this would just make a really nice sort of birthday card. You know, let's think out of the box. This doesn't have to be something that you would add pages in for a journal. It could just be a nice birthday card. Then on the back here, there is another tag. All right, so this one's up for grabs too. And then our last project, I'm going to show you right after we take a little break. All right, so I love using composition books to make journals and planners, and we did one just recently to make a Christmas planner, so check that video out. And this one is a back to school planner. So if you have kids, grandkids, if you're going to school, if you're going to college, or you're a graduate student, taking a simple composition book from the dollar store, this is a great time to buy them too. They're just everywhere at Target. They're just everywhere, and they're really inexpensive. I like to buy about 10 of them and just keep them for the year and make different things for them. So this particular project, you guys, comes with a free digital download, and I've just printed it out here on some green cardstock. You can make this a student planner. This planner belongs to, and you can personalize it. It can be your planner as a parent. And I've added, some general activities, but then also given you plenty of blank tags as well. My sister-in-law put this together for us, and it's just such a nice tool to have. So that's just a free digital download. And then when we open our planner, this is one of my favorite paper packs. It's got a nice little pocket right here, and we have added the little tabs here between the different months and activities, September through June. And yeah, it's just a really great place to keep everything organized. My daughter was very active in lots of activities and dance team when she was in high school, and having something like this where I could just write everything down was great. I could control the number of pages. Maybe maybe January is a slower month. You don't need so many pages, but wow, September, you need a lot of pages for all those activities that are going on. So yeah, this is also going to be a giveaway. So you guys, this is just a short little video. We just took a little review of these projects. Let me know what you like in the comments, which are your favorites. And like I said, if you want a chance to win, comment, and subscribe, and then come back and check out next week's video and look for that congratulations and look for your username under that. Thanks so much for joining me today, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for subscribing.